Join me as I tell you how to consistently make the best, always moist turkey for Thanksgiving that everyone will love. Did you know that about 50% of all Thanksgiving turkeys end up being dry? Well, my turkey has never been dry, not once. I don't typically do videos about recipes. I stick to my real estate topics, but with Thanksgiving right around the corner, I decided to share my turkey recipe because if there is one thing that I do right in the kitchen, it is cooking an awesome turkey. My trick to consistently cooking an amazing turkey uses these 6 ingredients: butter, fresh garlic, fresh squeezed orange juice, yellow onion, fresh rosemary, and Hungarian paprika. You have to use real butter. I'm lactose intolerant, but I still use real butter on Thanksgiving. Thank you, Lactaid. After you clean your bird and you stuff it with your favorite stuffing, cut slits all over the bird and put butter and loads of chopped garlic in each slit. When it comes to stuffing, I'm a traditionalist. I love Pepperidge Farm's classic herb seasoned stuffing. I add onion and celery, loads of poultry seasoning, and maybe I'll add roasted chestnuts. It's always good with or without the chestnuts. Well, once you have the butter and garlic all over the bird under the skin, then pour lots of fresh squeezed orange juice over the turkey. Do not use regular orange juice that is not fresh. It won't work, and it certainly isn't going to taste as good. I usually buy 2 large bottles of fresh squeezed orange juice because you have to keep plenty of juice in the pan for basting. This will also become your gravy. It is always a catastrophe to run out of fresh squeezed juice. My kids know all about this. Next, I put chopped onion in the bottom of the pan with the orange juice, and then I sprinkle fresh rosemary and preferably Hungarian paprika all over the bird. Cover your turkey and cook it for the right length of time for the weight of your bird. Make sure you get the cooking time right. This is key. So the next very important thing is to thoroughly baste the turkey every hour with juice from the pan. Once your turkey's finished, there is no need to make gravy. It is right there for you. Just make sure you keep adding fresh squeezed orange juice to the pan if it gets low as you're basting your turkey every hour. I hope you trust me and you give my recipe a try. If you do, I want to know what you thought. So shoot me an email at jodi@realestateexperts.net. I would love to hear from you. And as always, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.